Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Let's get right to it. Where do we start? Got iron wire, 12 gauge, coated. You guys can get this from Tractor Supply. Don't know why they have it. They got it in 50-foot rolls. Iron, baby. I'm not going to focus on that right now because this video is not about that. This video is about the center. And let's start off with the compass. So you can see north is that way. I got it written north there. And I think the magnets are influencing this. Influencing it to where this thing needs a little adjustment. So I got my monsters over here, but I'm just a little guy. So what you do is you run it, you put it on top so the pole faces away. Let's see, why isn't it doing it? I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use one of these. Alright, so you hold it. We're going to go that way. Insane, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but I need the compass, guys. Here we go. So you swipe it. And let's see if it did it, because the point should have faced that way. Yay! We changed the polarity on the compass. So now we can hold it up in the air. And we're in the, you can see over there is north. So it's in proximity, yep. So, check these points. That one says south. That one says south. That one south. And that one south. So all the points are south. Just bringing it to your attention. Now I got the 4 bolts. They come in, they lean against one side. So whatever side they're leaning on is the same pole that's going to come out there. For instance, that says north, and we're on the north. Now if you click that over, not that one, let's go over to this one. I think it clicks better. Click it over, so it's on that side. That becomes the south pole. Click it over to the other side, it becomes the north pole. Come on, give it to me. There we go. We'll get it adjusted a little bit. North pole. Click it over. South pole. Click it over. North pole. Yeehaw. So, got the voltmeter in there. It's on DC. Now, something I'm going to show you is pretty amazing. Is it shouldn't show up anything for just touching metal, right? So we're going to take the one end and we're going to look for a south pole. That's a south pole. So we're going to put the positive on the south pole. All right, and then we're going to look for a north pole. And there's a north pole. And we're going to put the negative side of the voltmeter on the negative pole. All right? Look what just popped up. Hold on. Let's do this again. Empty. Look. We're going to connect this. Look what shows up. and the pole's backwards. There's the negative on there. So over here we have the North Pole with a negative side. So a North Pole is shooting out South Pole energy. So let's swap these. Got nothing, right? Let's come over here and watch what happens when we fire up. Shows up, plus it's not backwards. So not only here do we have the South Pole, and we have North Pole. Get this compass in there right. North Pole. It's showing up at the voltmeter. 3.46 volts. Nothing changes. It stays consistent. Even if I turn it. 3.5. 3.9. Let's get some speed going. Let's see if we... Really hard to tell. 3.1. It's staying consistent. Now remember, because I got the keeper bars there, this wheel, as heavy it is, the metal right there helps it keep going. It's not going on its own yet. You can see it's slowing down, but it's moving real good for what it weighs. I haven't even put concrete in it yet, but this is the first time I'm able to really, on the inside, kind of get a direction on the inside. I think the inside was very important. Very, very, very important. Iron wire has something to do with it. We're going to do some experiments with this iron wire. We're going to see what's going on with iron wire. Let me see what else is going on here. Another thing. The top of the handle, North Pole here. Magnets are nice. Opposite poles. The strength on it's real good. Big old chubby right here. Small one. I think small one probably hold all by itself. And then it just slides down. Holds on both though. Interesting things, guys, here. So, you know, you can see inside. We got a South Pole, North Pole. Hey, look. Yeah. Yeah, let's disconnect this. Nothing going on. There's no battery. There's nothing. It's just using a wheel bearing. I got a thrust bearing that we're going to be sticking underneath there when it comes in. It's a perfect way to take the lateral pressure off that wheel bearing. So wheel bearing's great for this way, but we're going to put a thrust bearing underneath there, and because that bottom there turns that ring, so that'll take the pressure off. Nothing connected to this though, you can see, and it's pretty much having stuff show up. Oh. So you can see nothing's on it now. I got the positive disconnected. We're going to connect the positive. There it is. Look at that. It has nothing to do with the magnet. Oh yeah, that's the big one, Phil. Why? 'Cause I hit the bar back there. Leave your comments. Peace out, my brohams. There's something else I wanted to tell you guys. I kind of just forgot, but got your pole up top, pole at the bottom. You got your poles inside. You can see how north and south is putting juice into the voltmeter. Constant. It's not even bouncing around. So that's good freaking... I want to go get a damn LED. Holy shit. I should get her to do it live. There's the LED. Let's pull an LED out. I wonder if I can get anything, can see anything. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand. Ain't happening. No. Stay tuned. My little relay I made. That's a magnetic relay. Not using it yet. It's just going for a test run. Yeehaw. Just got home from work. Now I get to play a little bit. Leave your comments. Still got juice. Peace out, my bro hams and bro ladies.